up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here at Milky Tech, and today we are looking at another headset. We are going to look at the Hyperx Cloud Flight S. Let's get this done. The Hyperx Cloud Flight S is a wireless 7.1 channel headset. It has been the #1 selling headset for a while, and now let's look at all the hype, no pun intended, and let's take a look at this product and see how good it is. It says that the battery will last for 30 hours, which is awesome. So you could essentially use this for more than just on your computer when you're gaming. Before we continue, if you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like and hit subscribe. It helps the channel out greatly. So let's take a look at the package. Alright, so let's do an overview of this headset's packaging. On the front, we got a nice picture of the headset. Logo. It's compatible with PC and PS4. I wonder why it's not compatible with Xbox. It is a #1 selling PC gaming headset, which is awesome. Long battery life, nice 30 hours, and the name of the product. And I love that it's 7.1. On this side, you got a picture, and we are all gamers in one form or fashion. Over here, we got our package content, and we got some model numbers and little informations there. Nothing on the bottom or the top, just a nice little thing here. Over here, we have a picture of the product and some of the features. We have a custom-tuned HyperX 7.1 surround sound headset, a built-in game and chat mixer, a customizable onboard control, and we have the HyperX signatures, comfort and durability. So this should be comfortable and pretty strong. And you have a 2-year warranty on this product. So let's open it up. I was gonna change view, but this is perfect view. Pop this open and open this up. So we're first greeted with a nice little thank you letter and a picture of all their products. Really good RAM. Warranty card, a card with information how to contact them, with an email address and more information in the back, and a quick user guide. Alright, let's remove this plastic protection. Let's remove the whole thing. Okay. And we're greeted with the headset itself. And alright. Pretty nice. Our detachable mic, USB receiver, and our charge cable. And here is a nice little reminder to download your drivers from their website. Alright, so let's go over the wireless headset itself. Alright, on this side we have our 2 drivers and very soft ear pads. They are made out of leather. We have a volume control knob here. Over here we have a power indicator, our power button, a button that will make it virtual 7.1 surround sound, a micro USB charge port. I wish this was a Type-C. And where we plug in our microphone. On this side, we can charge the headsets wirelessly. So we have a wireless charging pad. Boom, charge. Nice. Alright, let's test these out. Alright, now so let's test the comfort of this headset. Put it on. And just so you guys know, these headsets are closed ear, they're not open ear, so you're gonna have a nice thick deep bass, but not such a big sound stage as a open ear design would have. So far, not a bad clamping force, and the ear pads are very, very soft. They feel very comfortable. I can see you wear this for a while and not being fatigued, which is great. Okay, so I guess our next step is to test out the sound quality and the microphone quality of this headset. But before we do that, let's install it on the computer. So the first thing we need to do is plug in our USB receiver into our USB port. Boom. And now we go to the website and install the drivers. Now if you have the HyperX mouse, you can get the wireless charging pad and charge both of them simultaneously, which is nice. Of course, you can take my cookies, just bring me milk. Of course, we have to go to the Microsoft Store. And let's get it. Let's turn this guys on too. Might actually help. Press the button. And now we are on. Turn off analytics. Let's pop up a sound recorder. And let's record this. I'm just going to read the text that they have here. And you can compare them both between my current mic right now. And the link for that mic is going to be right here. Alright, let's start the recording. And HyperX Ingenuity is a powerful, intuitive software that will allow you to personalize your compatible HyperX products. Alright, so the next thing we want to test out is the sound quality of these headsets. So let's play some tunes. Let's bring up the good old YouTubes. And let's play something Latin. Let's test out 7.1. Enough of that shenanigans. Overall, I am impressed with this headset. The sound quality is pretty good, the basses are pretty deep, the highs are crisp. I was listening to some music and it sounded pretty good. Of course, these are not audiophile headsets, but for the price and the features that you get, it's pretty good. The 7.1 feature really increases the soundstage a lot. So if you're trying to enjoy some movies or some games, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. The microphone, on the other hand, it is okay. I wish the sound quality was a little bit better, but you know, that's me coming from using condenser mics. And if you're streaming, get yourself a condenser mic. But for everyday gaming and use, yeah, it's actually not that bad. I like that it's wireless. It has 30 hours of battery life, which is phenomenal. I wish it had Bluetooth support so you'd have more variety of products you could use this headsets with, but I guess this product is just geared towards gamers and gaming only, so your PS4 and PC. I don't see why it does not support Xbox since it's just a USB plug and play, but that's to be tested at a later date. But yeah, overall, this is a great product. If you guys enjoyed this content, smash that like, hit subscribe, ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, what's up? Drop it in the comments below and I will see you guys next time. Peace.